You've been buying something every single month, and you didn't even notice. The receipts are stacking up. Pesticide sprays, synthetic fertilizers, electric fencing, weed killers. Month after month, the costs grow. The land just sits there, already holding everything you need. Our ancestors knew a secret we've forgotten. Our grandparents didn't skip these purchases because they couldn't afford them. They skipped them for a reason. You just need the right team. Today, I am revealing the 8 animals every homestead needs to function for free. Today, I'm going to show you 8 animals every homestead should have, and what each one does for free. Stay until the end, because the last one is the most powerful of all, and most don't even consider it an animal. Let's start with the obvious one, but not for the reason you think. The chicken is a living engine. Animal 1, the chicken. Most see an egg layer. I see a living engine that processes waste into gold. A well-managed hen fertilizes up to 25 square meters of soil per month using nothing but her natural droppings. She converts kitchen scraps, fruit peels, rice leftovers, wilted greens into protein and pure organic fertilizer. She weeds for you. She breaks pest cycles by eating larvae straight from the soil. She aerates your compost. Rhode Island Reds and Plymouth Rocks are your best starting breeds. Resilient, productive, and easy to manage. She deposits directly to your table while improving your soil. She's the employee that pays you to work. Animal 2, the duck. The orchard's precision specialist. Unlike chickens, ducks don't destroy your seedlings. The duck is a specialist. It focuses on slugs, mosquito larvae, and soil insects. Precision pest control. One duck eliminates hundreds of slugs per day across 10 square meters. No poison, no effort, no cost. While it's working, it's laying up to 300 eggs per year. Richer, fattier eggs favored by master bakers. If the chicken is your all-purpose player, the duck is the specialist hired for one job, and it never complains. Now the goose. How much would you pay for a security system that runs 24 hours a day? It runs 24 hours a day. It has exceptional hearing and wide peripheral vision. Nothing moves unnoticed. The goose has exceptional hearing and wide peripheral vision. Any stranger or predator triggers an alert. The goose also controls grass, produces large eggs, and lives up to 25 years. A lifetime of service. While people install cameras, some homesteaders solve the problem with a goose. It never runs out of battery. Animal 4, the goat. Some land fights you, rocky, dry, and overgrown. Where you see a problem, the goat sees a buffet. Goats eat what others refuse. Dry branches, shrubs, and bark. They turn neglect into productive energy. They deliver milk, meat, and nitrogen-rich manure, the highest quality fertilizer for your vegetable beds. Heritage breeds flourish in extreme conditions. They don't just survive, they transform abandoned land into production. That neglected back corner? It's not wasted space. It's a free grazing operation waiting to be unlocked. Animal 5, the rabbit, where mathematics meets homesteading, maximum output in minimum space, efficiency defined. A doe can produce 8 litters per year. One pair generates dozens of animals with minimal feeding costs. Rabbit meat is lean, nutritionally dense, and delivers double the protein of beef. High-yield self-sufficiency. Their manure is cold fertilizer. It can be applied directly to your garden without composting. Soil gold. In even 50 square meters, the rabbit brings you closer to genuine independence than almost any other choice. Animal 6, the pig, the master recycler. It transforms kitchen waste and crop residues into high-value meat. The reputation for mess is a management problem. A well-managed pig is quiet, clean, and efficient. The manure improves virtually any soil type. And traditional lard is a product with immense natural value. The pig doesn't waste, it transforms. It closes the production loop on your homestead for good. Animal 7, the earthworm, the invisible worker. No feathers, no sound, but the most important employee you have. The earthworm aerates your soil, creating channels for air and water. It converts waste into humus. Humus is the highest quality soil nutrition that exists. Where worms are abundant, the soil is alive. Don't buy worms, stop killing them. Use mulch, avoid chemicals, and they will appear to work for you. They work your soil 24 hours a day, for free, an invisible animal worth more than any fertilizer. Finally, the native bee. Without pollination, there is no fruit, no seed, and no future for your garden. Native stingless bees are silent, gentle, and docile. You don't need a professional hive to attract them. A hollow log or simple wooden box is enough to attract a colony. They work silently for you. The greatest gift isn't honey, It's the silent work of pollination that guarantees your homestead produces. 8 animals, 8 functions that no product, chemical, or piece of technology can fully replace. The chicken cleans, the duck protects, the goose guards, the earthworm builds. The system works as one. Every week brings a new discovery rooted in what the land actually teaches. See you in the next one. Most people fail because they try to force nature into their own schedule. They don't see the system. Artificial success is fragile. One missed chemical application and the whole garden collapses into dust. But when you discover the forgotten knowledge of resilience, you build a system that never stops producing. These animals and these secret seeds are the key to a homestead that provides for generations to come. This isn't theory. This is the yield of a system that manages itself while you focus on the harvest. Every animal on this list adds another layer of security to your food supply. They are your best insurance. The real power isn't in the individual animal, it's in the realization that your land is already enough. Freedom doesn't come from buying more. It comes from needing less because your land provides it all. You don't need to do everything at once. Start with the animal that solves your biggest problem today. Whether it's the chicken in your backyard or the goat in your back corner, the first step is the most important. Join our community of self-sufficiency enthusiasts. Share your journey in the comments below. We learn together. Subscribe for weekly insights into what the land can teach you. This is the path to rooted truth and freedom. The land is patient. It's been waiting for you to stop fighting it and start working with it. See you next time. This is your heritage. This is your future. This is the hidden system of abundance that never fails.